Today is a big day. Today is the day that I finally declare my major. So my major is biomedical computation, or BMC, which combines biology and computer science. What's really unique about this major is they require 6 units of research. So you have to find someone who does biology and computer science in their lab, and I found someone who is super awesome. His name is Gil Bejarano, and I just researched him. I looked at his lab. I emailed him. I asked him, would you be my advisor? And he's like, yes. So I finally have an advisor, and I hope to work in his lab. To declare, you need a program sheet, which you can say what classes you're going to take, and you have to print out your 4-year plan, which kind of details what classes you're going to be taking and when, so that they make sure that you're going to get in all your requirements. That means I have to take 6 extra classes on top of the biology and computer science that I'm already taking, and so this means I'm packing my quarters and I have so much work to do. Okay, so I just got out of my CS class and I'm about to go meet my advisor. He's gonna sign some documents and then I can finally declare. I am pre-med, I'd like to go to med school later. So I went from coming in thinking I was a film major, then going to bioengineering, and then briefly computer science. I was unsure of what major I wanted. I also really like computer science. It's super hard and the logic can be really confusing sometimes, but computer science is the future, and I'm at Stanford, so like, why not study computer science? Alright, I've made it to the Beckman Center where my advisor is, and going into his office. Stanford requires that you declare your major by the end of sophomore year. I'm a junior, so obviously I'm a little late. To declare, you need to find an advisor. I emailed so many advisors, none have gotten back to me. Only today has someone gotten back to me. Well, that was an absolute and utter failure. He was not there, and he's not going to be back until 5:30, so I'm heading back to class. Back here several hours later. Turns out my advisor isn't really here much because he's going on a trip soon, so I'm here to drop off the papers. Okay, I just dropped off my papers. I should swing by tomorrow and they will be signed, and then I just have to do a few more things and I'll be declared. This is so exciting. I've been stressing about declaration for the longest time ever since the beginning of sophomore year, actually, so I'm just glad this is over and I can finally say that I'm studying BMC.